Hello there, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with another card sketch challenge. This time it's part 3, and this is the card that I will be making in the video. Just a quick thank you, by the way, for all of the submissions to the Facebook group so far. They're looking fantastic. Anyway, just a quick note, I made the actual card that I'm using from the card pad that I just showed, and I've cut down some strips that I'm now going to trim down into the layers. And of course, you'll find all the measurements on the free download that's available from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. You should be able to find it if you just go to the home page and scroll down. However, if you need a specific link, then please do check the description below the video on YouTube or on Facebook. I keep forgetting where I am these days. I'm in so many places. Anyway, I kind of pre-planned that some of these elements would come from the pink, some would come from pattern paper. So I've cut my layers. Now I'm going to die cut those bits whilst I stick the layers down. As ever, and you're probably sick of me saying this, I'm using Penflair bookbinding glue. Honestly, in the time that I've been using this, I cannot tell you how much of a joy it has been to use, just purely because it's so quick to dry and doesn't buckle your cardstock or paper. Now, a little bit of fiddling here because for some reason my eyes are not working today, but basically just trying to make sure that at least looks straight, whether it's actually straight or not. While I was doing this, I did think that maybe I should have inked the edges of these because they were very similar to the background, but actually just the different tones kind of give it a different look anyway, so I went with it. I did forget to chop down one layer, so I went back and did that. Now with these horizontal layers and with the earlier layer, I am using the gridded ruler. It's just a way of making sure that things at least kind of start out straight. Whether they go anywhere else afterwards is another matter. But I do like to at least make an effort. I make lots of efforts. Anyway, I mentioned the Facebook group at the start of this video. If you're just stumbling across this video and you're sort of joining us partway through, I have set up a Facebook group where you can play along with these card sketch challenges, download the card sketch and follow the layout. Adapt it for whatever you want, really, whether it be little mini books, Rolodex card thingies, somebody's doing that, 5x7 cards or square cards. Just work with it and make a card and share it in the Facebook group. There's a bunch of folk there already, so you'll see what's been submitted so far. I'll leave a link on that in the blog post and also, of course, on YouTube. Okay, so that's all my layers in, and I'm just getting out all the bits that I need from the die cut sheet. Now, while I had that sentiment in my tweezers, I thought it best to apply the glue now rather than trying to fiddle with it later. But just before I did that, I thought, send the other bits through. Work smarter, not harder. So send your bits to die cut while you're gluing something. Two pairs of hands? I don't know. A machine doing one thing, me doing the other. That. Maybe I should give this card to the die cutting machine. Now my foam pads underneath that square were getting in the way, so I snipped off the bottom of that branch. No, leaf. It's a fern, so it would be a leaf. Or would it be a branch? I'm sure Wikipedia would tell me. Or Google, in fact. All of the information is out there on the internet. It does surprise me, therefore, why so many people ask questions that they could ask Google in Facebook groups, but there you go. Anyway, just a couple of die cut flowers. I'll lay it up, and I will stick a gem in the middle. I don't know, there seems to be some unwritten rule that a flower isn't complete until it's got a gem in the middle. What do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments on YouTube. And while you're there, make sure you've subscribed and hit the bell icon, and then you'll get notified about all new videos from my channel. Please, thank you, please, thank you. And if you've got unlimited Wi-Fi, just put them all on play and walk out the room. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, just a couple of decorative pins there just to finish that off, which were stuck in place with the dimensional glue. And there we go. There is card sketch challenge number 3.